Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Forensics Tools Installation and Dataset Download video. So in this video we will be seeing how to install the Autopsy toolkit and also the dataset required for our assignments. So first, for downloading the Autopsy toolkit, you can either use the link or just go to your browser and open the site autopsy.com and then go to the downloads tab, and from there you can download the 64-bit version for the Windows, and for the Mac users they need to use an virtual machine, as currently Autopsy doesn't support Mac OS. So let us wait till it gets download, and once it gets download we can see how to open a new case. So once it's downloaded we need to just open it. So just click next, and then you can set path for the folder where you want all the files to be saved, and then just click on install. And then just click finish. So now the Autopsy is downloaded, so just run it as administrator. And then you can just click on new case and give the case a name. So I will be giving it as CFREDS 2015 data leakage, and then you can just give your last name, and then click next, and you can give optional information such as like case number or any other details, but these are optional, so I'm just gonna skip them. Let the case be created. Once it's created, we'll be adding the data source later. So there is a small configuration that you need to do. Go to tools and then to options, and in the application tab you have this option called runtime, uh, which basically allots the RAM needed to the Autopsy toolkit. Based on your laptop or system configuration, you can adjust these. If your system is of 16 GB RAM, like my system is, so you can increase the maximum JVM memory to 10, and if your system is like 32 GB, and you can increase it to 20 GB. So you can set your maximum JVM memory as 10, and the maximum SOLR JVM memory based on your remaining RAM left. That is, like, if you're using a 32 GB system you can increase it, but I'm using a 16 GB version, so this is 10 GB here and 4 GB here, so I will be leaving the rest 2 GB for the OS. And then just click apply and click on OK. What it does is it just fast tracks the process of ingestion, that is analyzing the files. So now let's download the data set required, that is like the data required for the assignments. So we need 3 files in total, that is CFREDS 2015 data leakage RM1 for the first assignment, and next RM2, that is removable media 2 for the second assignment, and we will be using the same RM2 for the third assignment, and we need a different file for the fourth assignment. So let's download that. So this is the website from where you can download the dataset required, and you can you have information here regarding the data leakage set. You can study it for more information regarding the assignment. And then when you scroll it down, you have the information regarding the different devices that are used or captured in the case. So these are the devices. We have personal computer, RM1, RM2, and RM3. So RM1 and 2 is a copy of a USB drive, and RM3 is a copy of CD-ROM. We need to download RM1 encase image, and then RM2 encase image, and RM3 raw CUE image, that is an ISO file. So first I will be downloading the RM1. You can just click on it. Sometimes it gets downloaded directly, and sometimes it shows you a window like this. Then you can just right click and then just save it. So I am saving it in this folder, and you can just click save. So you need to just make sure that the file type evo1 is downloaded. You can repeat the same process for removable media 2 and also removable media 3. You need to download the raw or CUE type of image, and you can also check the hash value of the file. You can just click on the hash value there, and you can see the SHA1 of all the files. You can verify it with the file that you have downloaded using the terminal. And then there is one more thing, that is the encase image directly gets downloaded, but whereas the raw or the CUE type of image, it gets downloaded as a zip file, and you need to use the 7-zip software for installing it. You can just download the 7-zip software from the official website and then open it. So once it's installed, you can just open the 7-zip software and go to the folder where the file got downloaded and just extract it. So now all the required data has been downloaded. So that is everything for this video. Let's meet with assignment 1 in the next video. Thank you.